Here's a southbound coming. On Allan Road. I think it's A483. Are these down?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh, they will be.
It's gonna take a few minutes.
You can see cars turning in the yard on the south.
I don't know.
That's what it looked like. We should probably put on the dirt road and pull on that road. Unless we could go on the other side. Pull on that road. I don't know, we could get, let's see. I'm not sure what way to get the speedway really, but.
Go either way.
Huh?
You can go either way.
Oh. Are you starting to go down yet? Or? Wonder what kind of engines they are. Were they big engines?
Probably.
Was it the AC units or? You see them yet?
No.
Yep. Coming?
Yeah.
Hey guys, here it comes. I don't know if we'll be first in world out. We'll try. There's a car coming. Oh, it might went the other way.
It did go the other way.
It did?
Yeah.
I don't know. He's probably just moving very slow at first and they start to speed up a little bit.
Well, yeah.
You know what I mean? You hear his horn yet?
No.
He's coming. There we go. Here comes, guys. CN southbound on Allan Road. It's an AC unit. I knew it. Here it comes. I think it was 2332. That's what it was. That's actually a DC unit.
Okay.
We've seen that one before actually. 2332.
Probably.
What the? Is that the twin set or something? Oh. Going towards Richmond. This is A483. Oh, you see that? 10:56 a.m. Cool. Probably just pretty long. Got 3 engines, you know.
Don't do that.
Huh?
Shaking the whole.
Sorry. Starting to speed up a little bit. There's also an eastbound lined up on the front stop too. Not sure if we'll catch it though. You think we will? Why, yeah?
I just don't think we will.
Oh.
It's probably already going in right now.
Good? How do you know that?
They always do that.
What's zero, right? Was it like yellow, red, red or green, red, red?
Yellow, red, red.
What's it the line close to the, yeah, like buy from the party store?
No. Inside line.
On the first track on this side?
Yeah.
So he's blocking it right now? Oh. Wonder if there's a DPU on this one. Probably not. Three engines, that's right. Yeah, that's true. 3 engines. Wonder if I kind of caught that yellow one was, but 5 minutes so far. Surprised there's no car haulers on this one. Might be all Mixedfreight. There's the end. Alright guys. There's the gates.